Today you are going to learn how to play a 6-stroke roll. Grab your sticks and let's get into it. This is Rudiment 8 out of the 40 chord drum rudiments. Not a very complicated exercise at a slow tempo. We start off with an accented single on beat 1. Then we play doubles with each hand, and then we follow it up with an accented single, and then it starts back over on beat 1. Sounds a little more complicated than it is. We'll start off with the right-handed sticking at 90 beats per minute. See? Not too bad. I chain it together with right-handed sticking, and then at some point I will stop and I will switch to left-handed. Now let's flip the sticking around and lead it with the left hand. Six-stroke roll is great for improving dexterity. We work with doubles. We work with accents. We get to lead with both hands, strengthen that weak hand up. And 6-stroke roll is pretty good for putting fills down behind the kit. As with any exercise, I start off slow so I can wrap my head around it. I let my brain figure it out. I build some muscle memory with it, and then I very gradually speed up.